A man was found with his throat slashed in Rocky Point, Clarendon on Saturday. According to reports, police were alerted to the scene after residents reportedly heard a loud commotion at Bubbler Vibes Bar at about 11:50 p.m. A man who has been identified as Aubrey Robertson was later observed near the entrance of the establishment with his throat slashed. The man's grey Toyota car was parked a few meters from the scene. Saturday's incident is the first homicide recorded for the parish since the start of the year. A 34-year-old female security guard was shot and killed early Saturday night in an apparent home invasion. Police say the victim, Jody Buchanan, was alone at the home where she shared with her father when a lone masked gunman reportedly entered the house through a back door. The gunman reportedly opened fire at Buchanan, killing her on the spot before making his escape. The police were called and the deceased was reportedly found lying on her back in her bed with several gunshot wounds to her upper body. No motive for the killing has been established. The St. Mary Criminal Investigative Bureau are investigating. 5 persons, including 3 juveniles and a female, are now in the custody of the Old Harbour Police in St. Catherine after 3 guns were found in a car in which they were traveling. According to Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, sometime after 3 a.m. on Sunday, explosions were heard in the Old Harbour area. In response, the police mounted a roadblock on the Old Harbour Bay main road leading to Old Harbour. The driver of a car with 5 persons aboard was stopped and the vehicle was searched. 2 Taurus pistols and an unknown type of pistol along with ammunition were reportedly found. The identity of the persons who are now in custody have not yet been released as investigations into the developments are continuing. 2 men have been arrested and are now in custody following an operation by the St. James Police that resulted in the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of ammunition in Rose Heights on Friday. Reports are that about 4 p.m. lawmen were in the area when they saw 2 men on a rooftop. On approach of the police team, the men reportedly ran. They were pursued and accosted. During a search, one 9mm Glock pistol with a magazine containing 15 10mm rounds of ammunition was found in possession of one of the men. Both men were subsequently taken into custody. However, their identities are being withheld pending further investigations.